Greetings. In regard to digital safety and security, we want to see how you can protect your Gmail address from hackers and other online vulnerabilities like phishing. So what we need to do is to add a third layer of protection, and which is a two-step verification process. After logging in into your Gmail account, you are supposed to click on your profile, that is top right of your Gmail account, where it says Google account. You click there. After clicking there, you move down to manage your Google account. As you are planning to do this step, make sure you have your phone, which you used in registering your email address or when you are opening your email address. Once the Google account has opened, tap on security. After reaching on security, scroll down a bit on those security options. You come to signing in into Google. There are two options: use your phone to sign in or two-step verification. So you can see mine here is off and we need to turn it on. So you tap there to turn it on. So it says two-step verification. Protect your account with two-step verification. Add an extra layer of security. Enter your password and a unique verification code that is sent to your phone. Keep the bad guys out. So this means that once you have added that third layer of protection, no one is going to use your account or logging in from other devices. So tap on get started. And it takes us back a bit to continue. First verify it's you. So here you have to enter your password. And we shouldn't save passwords. Okay, so they have sent a code to my phone, and this means that I should put that code there. Okay, so from here, they are saying, let's set up your phone. Choose the location. Location is Uganda. Enter your phone number. Choose send a text message or phone call. Let us leave a text message. Or you can even explore more options. Okay, they send another code. You enter it there. You tap next. Then you turn on. Okay. So this means that we have successfully turned on a two-step verification to add a third layer of protection to our Gmail account to avoid those bad guys who may need to log our account from other devices. This you can turn back. So now we can see that two-step verification is now turned on. Okay, so a third layer of protection has been added.